Hi, welcome to our first video on Hostinga, and today we're going to be reviewing everything that you need to know about Hostinga. In the process, we're going to review the pricing and the features, and we're also going to buy the hosting and see which payment methods are available. We'll also look at the basic settings that you need before you proceed or installing WordPress. Then after that, we'll also install WordPress. After installing WordPress, we're going to use the free domain that comes with the plan that you bought. And finally, we're going to do the basic customization using HPanel and also WordPress dashboard. So let's get started with the pricing and features of Hostinga. First, let's go to hostinga.com. And when you get here, you can see the intro is up to 80% off, and everything you need to grow, you grow online. You can see they say it starts with $2.5 and with 2 extra months and free domain. That's what their intro comes. Now, if you come down here, other plans that comes with it, there's premium, business, and cloud. And you can see their prices. This is 80, 75%, and 70% off. But for this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the premium, which actually has most of the things that you need for the start. First of all, it comes with 2.49, but if you use my referral link, the price is going to reduce even more than that. I encourage you to check in the description to get that more discount beyond this 2.49. We'll see it later in the video because I'm going to use it for us to purchase the new hosting. So now this premium comes with features like, for example, there is going to be 25 websites that you can be able to host. Only in one purchase, you're able to host 25 websites. There's also manage WordPress in case you like WordPress so much. It also comes with 25 GB of solid state drive, which is actually super fast. There is Hostinga Web Builder. It's also a very good one, drag and drop. I will make a video about it one day. It also comes with a free domain. So like I said, the domain is like www.yourwebsite.com. So it comes with that free domain, which usually costs $9.99. So at the end, you should be knowing after 1 year, you're going to pay that for that domain. So it also comes with very many other features. You should look at it. There's 25 mailboxes, unlimited SSL. So this keeps your website very secure. There's also weekly backups and many other options here. There's one thing that I need to show you. This free CDN is called Content Delivery Network. So this speeds up the website so fast. I was shocked when I bought a domain, when I transferred my website to Hostinga. Let me show you how fast it is now. Before, I used to struggle to achieve even 80%, but the day I transferred it here and migrated everything, the website speed increased and I was very surprised. And yet I use a lot of plugins like Elementor to build some of the templates, and also have AdSense that really could slow down the website. But if you look at this, it's 100%, almost everything except the accessibility. All this I can work on from customization. If you look at desktop is also just like almost the same thing. And even if I visit my website, it's not just exaggerated. See, I just press once and the website opens. If you check blog, it also opens very fast, and this is what I was telling you. So this has boosted my website speed and I really love it. So let's check other features. For example, managed WordPress comes with all these. Hostinga Website Builder comes with all these, and the security, if you look at this, it also has support services and all this. You see, everything that you see here, it's going to be coming with this package. So I encourage you to check in the description, click on that link and get started with Hostinga. So let's go to the next item. First, I'm going to use my referral link like I promised earlier, and I'm going to copy it. So put in the new link here, new tab, and I open it here. You can see it starts with this, but if I claim the deal, I'm going to select the premium plan. And now when we select this, it brings us here and automatic for the 8 months, but let me change it to 12 months. You can see it's 80%, 20% has been removed again from the other 2.49. So it's now 2.39. That is you're going to pay. So let's continue from here. Now I'm going to continue with my Gmail account. If it is your first time watching videos in this channel, please subscribe, and if you've been here before, welcome back, because I upload about web development, other tech, everything about tech I upload here. So this is now the payment available. So let's look at the payment method. So you see the amount I'm going to pay for the full year. It's only 28. I've saved 132% because of the discount that I got through the referral and other features. So now I'm going to fill in my billing details. For example, let me fill in the names. So after that, I'm going to continue. All these things like region and probably the zip, I think I don't have them at the moment, so let's just continue. Now you can see here there are options. There is a credit card that is available. There's also PayPal if you come down, and there's Google Pay. So all those options you can be able to use, but for this case I'm going to use my Visa. Now after that, I'm going to submit payment, and you can see it is processing. The code has been sent to my phone, this verification. So let me enter it quickly. So you can see the amount is 28.70, and you see we are done. So now we can be able to move to the next step. The payment confirmation is complete. Now we move to the next step. Let's do the best setup. This is for who? It's for business. And you see there are options here. You create a website, you can migrate, or you can also grant another developer access to it. So in my case, I want to create my website. I want to create a website, and next, and there are options here. There's WordPress, or you want to use Hostinga Builder. But for this case, let's first start with WordPress. Now you can see here, you're going to fill in the details. This website I'm building for a client. So I need to put in now my new password for logging into the WordPress site. So make sure you check what is required down, and before you click continue. And now it comes with very many templates here. You can actually review them. If you don't want to do a lot of work, you can actually see these beautiful templates that come in here. Then you choose one to handle. But in case you can customize, you can also actually be able to ignore, or you remove it later in the video. So I'm going to select one of the templates. For example, let me choose this one. First I need to preview to see how it looks like. So this is this is with the Astra theme, and you can see how the template looks like on tablet. Also, this is how it looks like. And also let me check on mobile, and you can see it's really very responsive. All these things you can be able to customize them later. The colors, the images, and everything you can be able to change later on when you are done. So let's go to the website, and there are also some plugins that come. They recommend you to install, but this you can ignore if you don't need them. You can uncheck all of them in case, or you can also be able to check more. So let's install WordPress. Now you can see we have a free domain which comes. We have free domain which is given in this hosting. So there's also existing extension that they support. You can also click there and check. But for this case, I have my domain that I need to buy for the client. It's called let me get it here. It's Jeru Graphics. Oh, okay, I missed R. Let me get back to put R around here. Okay, there. Now let me select this, and we move to the next part. And now this is for organization. You have to choose the primary information. Is it a personal or organization? This one I'm creating for a client, so I'm going to select company or organization. Then I fill in their details. Now I'm going to fill in the owner's information. This was my details, but now I'm going to change to the owner's details. You can actually fill in all those necessary things before you proceed to the next part. And you go and register, and you can see now the domain name is being registered. Now this is important. You need to select the server which is nearer. Actually, by default it comes with the nearest server. For my case, I'm near UK, so this is automatically selected. But you also have option to choose any among this in case you're interested in specifically a different country. You can also see the Google Maps or the maps on the side. It shows the location of each server. If you point on it, you'll be able to see which server, and you see for me, I'm in Africa and the nearest in the UK. So that is what you have to do. So let me go to the next. And now the WordPress is being installed. So you wait a few minutes or a few seconds. This should be done depending on the speed of your internet. So let me first check it in the new browser because it's completed, and see if it has already installed. Now you can see our domain is registered and the WordPress installation. This was the template that I saw earlier, and you can see everything is perfectly okay. So we just need to customize this and be able to achieve what we need. So at the end of it, we're also going to do a basic customization for this domain. You see, this is a H panel or Hostinga panel. You can be able to do your customization from here, and you see everything is easy. You click on it, double click, and you should be able to replace whatever you need to change. But also we can be able to use WordPress. Let me first publish this. So I've saved it. Now let's go to WordPress dashboard, and you can see this is the WordPress dashboard, and you're able to, if you're familiar with the WordPress, this should be very easy for you. And I'm checking the customization tab, and you can see everything is here. So I have a video. I'm going to record a video on complete WordPress designing, and you should be able to subscribe and you'll be the first to see that. So these are all the basic things that you can be able to do. Thank you for watching.